And yes, we can make double table on the machine. One machine with 2 tables. Every table has 4 and 8 feet, the work range. So what's the point of the double tables? When the machine is working on the first table, you can take off the board and load a new board on the second one. So after you loading the second table, the first one is down, and the spindle goes back. It works on the back one, and you unloading the first table and load a new board onto it. This is a way to accelerate the work speed. And many China domestic furniture factories, they want this function to accelerate the producing speed. So the spindle will always be working, and there's no time waste.